Hello, today I'm in Fiat Panda Cross. In this video I'll show you how to manage units. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Use set button to enter menu and press this and this button to navigate through it. Press set button again to confirm. So let's enter menu, scroll down and go to units. Now you can change units for distance, temperature, consumption. Firstly, let's enter distance and adjust it between miles and kilometers. Next, let's select temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And in the end, consumption between liter per 100 kilometer and kilometer per liter. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.